everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Lelit X here. So basically this machine just was building up a lot of pressure in the group head. So I removed this spring from underneath here, this part of the group head here, kind of the exhaust valve. So the spring should always be replaced when you install the flow control here. And this one just wasn't, so it was just really hard to push that lever down. So other than that, I just replaced the gasket and screen because I noticed the gasket was a little brittle. So I'm just going to test the machine and show you that everything's working. Okay, here we go. You can see no issues here. Lift the lever, lower it, everything's working. Here's our steam. We're at 1.5 bars of pressure here. And I'll just show you the hot water for good measure. Alright. Okay, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.